I've connected my QuickBooks Online company as well as my credit card merchant account to Benji Pays, which will allow me to integrate credit card payments from QuickBooks right through my existing credit card merchant account. So I'll go into QuickBooks and create a new invoice. I'll select a customer as well as a product or service to invoice them for. Then I'll just click Save and send the invoice to the customer. Right away, the customer will receive the invoice coming right from QuickBooks. Here's a PDF copy of the invoice that I just created. And here's the link that'll allow the customer to pay the invoice. Here at the top of the page is my company's logo, and we've got all of the invoice details included. So the customer will just have to enter their name, email address, their credit card information, and then they can click Please charge my card. Now, Benji Pays is charging this $500 through my existing credit card gateway, so that money will show up in my bank account next business day. At the same time, Benji Pays has also sent a payment receipt to the customer, which includes all the details from the transaction, as well as a copy of the paid invoice right from QuickBooks. Another email has been sent to my company letting me know that the customer has just paid their invoice. And if we go back into QuickBooks, we can see that here's the invoice that I had created. It's now being marked as paid. And if we look at the payment, down in the memo field, all of the details from that credit card transaction have been added. So it'll be no problem for our bookkeeper to take a look if they need to find anything later. Where this gets even better is with Benji Pays auto processing. With auto processing enabled, Benji Pays will look at every one of your open invoices every day to see if the due date is met, auto processing is enabled for that customer, and the customer has a credit card on file, an enabled profile. If all of those are true, Benji Pays will automatically process the invoice, send the customer the receipt, and apply the payment in QuickBooks.